Maryam from Crochet Chapel, and today we want to learn how to crochet this alternating single crochet spike. This fabric makes very warm vest for men and kids. So let's get started. To get started, make a slip knot and start chaining an even number of stitches. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet into the second chain and into every chain to the end of the row. For row 2, turn your work, make a single crochet in the very first stitch into the next stitch. Make a single crochet spike. It means you should come down a row below, not in this hole, under it. Here, insert your hook, yarn over, pull your yarn, pull it up, yarn over, pull it through both loops. Single crochet next, single crochet spike in next, and continue this pattern to the end of the row. At the end of row 2, make a simple single crochet in the last stitch, and we'll go to the next row. For row 3, turn your work, make a single crochet in first 2 stitches. Into the next one, make a spike single crochet. Come one row down below, insert your hook and make a spike single crochet. One simple single crochet next, one spike next, and continue this pattern. Your last 2 stitches will be 1 single crochet into every stitch. Simple single crochet, I mean. Row 4, turn your work, make a single crochet in first stitch, a single crochet spike into the next, single crochet next, single crochet spike next, and continue this pattern to the end. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 4. Repeat row 3 and 4 until you get the desired length. This is how it looks like at the end. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, write your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, and support me. See you next tutorials. Bye!